Hey YouTube, it's Kid, and we are going to figure out how to watch 3D movies in big screen. Now, I know multiple ways to watch 3D movies in this Oculus, which is pretty dope. But we're just going to go through one right now, and just please subscribe and like and comment if you have any other questions or if you have any other concerns here. So, first and foremost, let's find big screen. So the application you're going to need to download here is big screen, and you should get that from the MetaQuest store here. Let's see, big screen should pop up here. I'm just going to search it up for y'all so we can see that we're on the right side here. All right, there we go. So now it have popped up here for us. We got big screen, dope. So we're just going to choose big screen. I already opened it or already downloaded it, so you just got to do the same. All right, let's go to open, and big screen should be opening right now. And this is it. So basically, this application, if you're not aware, you can go to different movie theaters, you can go talk to people, you can set up your own lobbies, you can host your own lobbies, things like that. I didn't even know. All right, well, dang. Okay, yeah. At one point, I was showcasing Men in Black 1, 2, and 3 in 3D, and then Spy Kids 3D. But I now realize that would have been a terrible, terrible, terrible thing to do at this point because my connection is on TWAM, and Spy Kid did not come in 3D. It was the first Spy Kid. It wasn't Spy Kids 3D. Anyway, so this is big screen. As you can see, you can minimize this, and this is our theater here. You can rotate, you can zoom up, you can go around, things like that. I mean, you can go all the way to the front like a cornball. You know what I'm saying? But I got glasses on, so I can't really. That's too far. So I was too close. So I'm gonna just go back up here, and we're gonna show you the other. The other areas. So you can go to YouTube, you can go to Prime Video, Disney, Twitch, Pluto. It'll all go up here on the big screen. If you have your computer downloaded, you can do a remote desktop here. Excuse me, download remote desktop on the bigscreen.com site to wirelessly put your computer on top of here. I do that. I guess I can show that here. Yeah, let's do that. Hold on 1 second, aliens. Let's do it. All right, aliens, I'm back. So as you can see, I connected remote desktop. It's pretty legit. It's pretty cool here. I'm going to X out of this. You can do it 720p. You can change the bit rate. You can change it to 3D. SBS is what they call it. I figured that name out the long and hard way. But we're gonna stay on 2D for now. You can minimize. This is how it looks, though. You can control what it looks like. That's pretty fire. But yeah, so you can use your mouse here. You can move this around. Well, I was trying to, but all right. I guess I can click. You see, I can click over here, stuff like that. But that is not the cool part. Okay, the cool part is we can go back to my room here, and I'm actually going to disconnect this because I don't want it to do anything else weird. We're just going to exit here. Okay, I guess it's still on in general. Okay, we're going down a mega universe here. All right, well, we'll get to that shortly here. But yeah, so we're still here, and you can see it. All right, cool. So not only that, you have remote desktop, you have video player. If you have any local videos that you want to put on here, so if you want to download a 3D movie, you could do that. You can do some movie rentals. You know, if that's your thing, you can rent 3D movies here. And when I tell you the 3D movies look incredible, they look insane. So here's 3D movies that you can buy if you can't get them already yourself. Now the most important part is, or the most cool part is, so you can host your room here. So you can host a room and have up to 15 people. Here we go. Have up to 15 people to join in. So that's pretty neat. You'll have people up in here, you know what I'm saying, crying, laughing, doing all that crazy stuff. There is your environment. So here we can change it up. We can go home here. And as you can see, we're now in the home setting. Minimize this, X out of this. As you can see, we're now in a different home. We can go to a classroom setting. We can minimize this again. And then, yeah, now we're in a classroom. I wish this wasn't in the way, but dang, bro. But yeah, man. So look at that connection. So basically, this is Bigscreen. You could put your own 3D movies. The main cool part is the public rooms. Okay, you can make friends here. You can explore. You can search movies up. As you can see, other people are watching things. We got Spartacus. We got End Times. We got Rap and Chill. We got GTA roleplay. Got scary videos. Some people be actually watching some valid movies. You know. Some people, sometimes they just watch 3D movies and chill. I kind of want to join this rap and chill and see what's going on. Let's see what's happening up in here. Seems like everybody's rapping. I'm finna rap myself. Y'all ready for this? Oops, YouTube. Oh, they got the beats right here. Yeah, this John Con, wow. Yo, what's up? Y'all trying to rap? What we doing in the room for then? What's this? All right, who's spitting first? I am. Okay. Okay. Yeah. The Easter Bunny is robbing. I'm over here. I'm sobbing. I'm over here crying, looking at the dial. I'm about to get it out here. I'm looking kind of. Dang. Dang, I'm drawing. All right, go ahead. Uh-huh. Talk that stuff. Yes. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Okay. Facts. Uh-huh. Right. No, he going right. Yeah. Ain't true. Uh-huh. All right, yo. I said true ink. Yeah, I got. Dang. God. That's what I'm saying, bro. Dang, bro. That's legit. He killed that John, bro. I was, I was trying to rock out with homie, yo. Hey yo, check it. All right. Hey yo, True Ink. Oh, come on, bro. Wait for the beat to drop, man. Yo, I said True Ink. I said your favorite color is pink. I got the water dripping down from the sink. You never seen it going. I'm out here flowing. About to watch Zoe 101. Yeah, I got the gun right by near me. Out here by Sears. I got the cheers. Looking at the cheerleaders. Out here looking like I'm about to eat some dinner. About to go to kitchen. Yeah, about to go leave you. Good riddance. I'm about to go out here. I'm about to spit all the bars with good riddance. Dang, bro. All right, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Uh huh. Yes. Got it. Mm. Uh huh. Y'all hear this, man? Uh huh. Uh. Right. I got one more for you. Yo. Yo, who is that? Is that him? Yo. It's crazy. It's wild. Ho- ho- what are you talking about, man? I got one more for you. What you talking about? Ain't worth it, bruh. All right. Nah, man, listen. I got one more for this guy. Listen, my man got all the tattoos. Look like you just in tune. I'm about to get you out of here. Your head big like a balloon. Them fake behind glasses. You never went to classes. Slow like molasses. Look at him. Look like a dragon. Look like assassin. Never seen you in the back. You try to be Aladdin. Look like dragon. Look like hot fire. Came over here. You not a sire. Boy, look at you, you's a liar. Got purple on, look like Barney. You better come to me when you look like cartoon. I get you in the back, about to take you like a vacuum. Put the dust out here looking like purple must. You look musty, look dusty. You got a hair bun. I'm about to get you out of here just for fun. Listen, listen. Nah. Y'all good. Nah, we ain't dissing. We freestyle. We freestyling. I wasn't dissing. I was freestyling. All right, aliens. You already know. So that was big screen, man. Definitely had a blast with it. You know what I'm saying? Had some freestyle battle going on. It's mad fun, dog. Apparently, you was supposed to freestyle, not battle rap or whatever. Come at boy, man. He started coming at me. Y'all seen that, bro? But anyway, you already know what it is, man. That's how you that's how you watch 3D movies on big screen. Excuse me. If you need any more, or if you have any questions or comments, definitely let me know. You already know. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'm gonna see you on the next episode. Peace.